Now, how can you export iPad notes in the PDF format? Let's get started. So there are some things you should know. Obviously, you can open up the Note application like that. And once you are inside of your regular notes, you can locate the share button and you have the ability to somehow export it. So you have the ability to, for example, click on the Save to Files application, and this will export everything which is in your note, and it will save it in a specific place within the Files app. So just click on it, choose a destination where you want to save it. But we are not done just yet, because what you're going to notice then is that your notes are exported and you can find them and everything is fine, but the document is in the text format. It's just a text document. It's not a PDF. So in order to convert it to PDF, you need to hold down on it within the Files app and click on Share. Then tap on More, and you can tap on Convert to PDF. This will perform the conversion and it will save it somewhere based on your preference. But once you are done, you should be able to see it as an actual PDF file. But there are also some other options. Since you are already inside of the Notes application, you can tap on Share again and use some different methods. Like you can, for example, click on Convert to PDF right away in here, which is going to work as well. But you also have the ability to use some kind of like a PDF application. So you can convert it to PDF within Acrobat or already edited in PDF in Acrobat if you have that app available, right? You can convert it to PDF using the PDF Expert app, which I downloaded onto my iPad, right? So as you can see, plenty of options. Plus, there is also the print option at the top, which you can tap on, and there you have the ability to click on Share again and save it to files as a PDF format. So you're gonna be able to see that there are so many ways how you can just save and export the files in a from the notes in different types to PDF. So if you try all of the things, it's pretty sure that you're going to be able to make it work on your device. So I hope it makes sense. I try to do it in the best way possible. So let me know what you think about that below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.